Let's create an AI agent that reads all this Excel data and put it into the employee onboarding form one by one. I open up the Microsoft Power Automate desktop, which is a free Windows 11 application. Here I hit the AI recorder. Now I'm going to record my microphone and everything I do on the screen. Let's click next. Let's pick a screen and a microphone and hit record. Find the path to my desktop. Then use the path to open this Excel file placed on my desktop. Read all the data and transfer it to this form. Transfer all the rows, and after each row, click the Submit Onboarding button. Then I click Done. Now Power Automate Desktop, the AI recorder, will analyze my mouse movement, everything I said in these 3 sentences, and then it will create a script. So let's fast forward. Here we go. Here we have the script, and it's really impressive because this would have taken me a lot of time to create manually, or I might not be able to. The beauty of it, let me maximize it here, is that we can reuse or even schedule it. Let's test it manually if we are satisfied with it. So I can just click Run here. Now you will see that it launches the Excel and it will open up the web page, and now it will start to fill in the data that we requested. Here we go. Now it can fill in all the 50 rows. If you want to see a full demo, I created this video with all the new AI features in Power Automate Desktop.